Hey guys, thanks for joining me on another episode. Today we're working on a 99 Honda CRV, so the first generation Honda CRV, which covers 97 to 2001. We'll be replacing a cabin air filter, and this information is the same, like I said, for 97 to 2001. Just go up to AutoZone or your dealer or wherever and pick up your new cabin filter. The reason we replaced this one is the cabin or the air conditioner was blowing pretty weak. You can still hear the fan. It sounded like it's going really good. So replace the filter and just got her fixed up. For this job, you'll need a 10mm socket, 12mm socket, and 8mm socket. I chose to use my electric ratchet on the way I did it. Oh, you'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver. You can do this with, a regular ratchet, maybe some wrenches, etc. But you'll need an 8, a 10, a 12, and a screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver. Yeah, go ahead and hit the like button, and be sure to check out RD1 playlist at the end. So that will cover the playlist for the first generation Honda CRV. So check out the video. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is take a 8mm or 5/16 nut driver, and there's 2 bolts down here, right here and right there. You gotta take this glove compartment loose. And again, 8mm socket would work for this too, but just get this nut driver, it works really good. Alright, now we got those out. We gotta take the little tabs in the glove box out. Well, you can do it without taking them out. I already had one out, but if you need to take these out, these little clips, you can see like it comes through and basically clips on like that. Yeah, so you push it like that and then pull it through. So then we gotta take this piece off. It should just have some clips and a Phillips head screw. So I took that Phillips head screw out up here, and then it had the clip here, so you just kind of get under it, pull it out, and this is pretty much what it looks like. Take that out of the way, and then we'll need to take this Phillips screw out, this Phillips screw out, and we should be able to move this piece of the dash back enough to get to the bolts on this part. Alright, and then we need to take these 2 8mm out, this 10 out. Probably easier just go ahead and take that 10 out too. And this 10 right here, and then those 2 8mm over there. Now, you could probably take this whole piece out and make it simpler to get to. I'm just going to use my electric ratchet, just hold this back and get to it in there without having to take all this mess off. Like I said, I did take those 2 screws off. Yeah. Actually, I misspoke. This one right here is not a 10, it's a 12. That one is a 10. Alright, so then just take this wiring harness, pull it up like that, and then you can get to the top of the little box here. Pull that off. Pull that off. Yeah. And get this access to our filter. Whew. Yeah, so you can see it's still got some trash in there. Maybe we can get our shop back and clean it out. Alright, so what I wound up doing is leaving the filter out and turning on the blower motor, and it blew a lot of junk out of there. You can see like a lot of these leaves and stuff that are blown out of there. But it was a good, easy way just to clean it out. Just don't put your face down there while you're doing it. I picked up this cabin filter at AutoZone, and I'm gonna put it into this frame. So I just popped the old filter out of this frame and put this one in it. Alright, so on the frame here you can see it says airflow, and also on the air filter itself it'll have airflow and a direction on it, so just make sure you put those in the same direction. And then on this, the air flows this direction, so make sure that you put your filter in where it's flow direction. And then we put our cage cover back on. Just like that. And then just reassemble it. You know, put all our pieces back on just the same way you took it off, and you'll be good to go. So thanks for stopping by to check out the video. Hopefully it was able to help you today. If it was, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Also, be sure to check out the playlist for the Honda CRV, the first generation. There's several videos on my channel pertaining specifically to the 1997 to 2001 Honda CRV. So be sure to check those out too, and hopefully we can help you keep your CRV on the road. As always, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.